Hello, in this video I will show you how to convert feet to yards in Excel with the formula. You have to apply the formula is equal to convert, open the bracket and select the cells, comma and double quote, type FT double quote, comma double quote, and for yards you need to type YD double quote and close the bracket and hit enter. And here you can see that Muhammad height 6.1 feet, and in yards you have converted the with the formula, and fill handle you can drag it down. If you want to cross check, what you have to need to do is keep in mind in the 1 yard there are 3 feet. So to make it cross check, put the is equals to sign, select the cells, divide by 3, and here you can cross check and drag it down through fill handle. So I hope you like the video. If you think the video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.